Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today's tutorial is going to be on this 613 toned out Herhaircompany body wave hair. Right? That was a mouthful. Anywho, in today's tutorial, what I'm going to be showing you is how to actually create some nice soft waves just to kind of give this hair a little bit more life and kind of movement. It is really soft and full, so yeah, this is a lot of hair to work with. Just briefly, if you guys are wondering, of course, I did receive lengths 22, a 20, 18-inch frontal, I believe a 24 as well. As you guys know, whenever I create wigs, I do go ahead and just kind of trim up the bottom edges of it so I don't have staggered pieces or anything kind of going into a diagonal. So I probably cut it up in total to about an even 22. So the hair is Eurasian. Again, it is a 613 bundles, which I did actually tone out. So if you guys missed the very first video on how to tone and kind of install the hair, definitely make sure to check that out. I did previously do a video on the ball cap method, so if you missed that, there'll definitely be a link to those two videos down in the description box below. Now, as far as the hair goes, I did only use 2.5 freaking bundles, y'all. This hair is so, when I say thick, like, this is just 1/2 of the hair. Look how full this is. And I'm standing on my tippy toes, y'all. But this hair is so freaking thick and heavy and dense and full. You literally only need 2 bundles. And of course, I double all my wefts. So had I just gone back and forth, I could have got away with a frontal and 2 bundles easily, no problem. The frontal is extremely thick and full, so I can tweeze this baby or just allow it to shed on its own. That is one of the biggest things or biggest complaints that I hear about 613 hair, is that it sheds, it sheds, it sheds. That is particularly true just based off of the fact that the knots on here are already number one, bleached. The hair is, of course, transformed into this really bright color, so the chances of it shedding is a little bit higher, which is why I would imagine the density of the actual tracks are extremely full to allow some shedding here and there. So it is normal, nothing to be alarmed about. If it does bother you, then of course maybe this is not the hair for you. So a lot of people did ask me if I was going to do like a watercolor tutorial. I'm not going to be doing watercolor, at least not yet. I kind of just want to enjoy the hair as being like blonde. Like, y'all, this hair is so freaking full. Now, what I do regret doing is not actually going into the root area to kind of just deepen it up just a teensy tiny bit, because I wasn't sure what direction I wanted to go with this wig, so that's neither here nor there. But anywho, without just kind of rambling on a little bit too much, I am extremely excited about the hair. So far so good. It does feel really nice. I probably will end up tweezing out certain parts of the frontal a little bit here and there, not really sure about it, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and just throw some waves in it and be right back at you. Well, I guess the most important thing is, I don't know if I want to do a side part or middle part. I kind of like the way the side part looks, but I think for the sake of this, I'm probably gonna do a middle part. I actually was even thinking about doing a half up, half down, or not even half. I guess this would be less than half. Now this could be cute with some waves. I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe I'll save this for another tutorial. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. If you want to see like this half up, half down look with the frontal, I definitely feel like all this needs to be tweezed even more for me to commit to a half up, half down. Y'all, perfection is what I am. the end of the tutorial. Definitely let me know how you felt about it. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? I want to know. Leave your comments down in the description box below. Have you guys tried, in the description box, in the comment section, have you guys tried blonde hair before? Are you afraid to do it? I definitely was a little bit nervous, and Lord knows I stay within my little box of hairstyles. So definitely give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you have not already. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.